Welcome to Short and Crisp Algo Trade Training from Market Secrets. If you are interested in learning end-to-end algo trading, use the link in the description to join our ATP program. In this episode, we are going to learn how to pull the trade details through our Python script. So earlier we have seen how to pull the order report. So this episode we are going to see how to pull the trade report. So what is the difference between an order report and trade report? So as a trader, you might have placed 100 orders today. You might have placed 100 orders, 50 would have been executed, 25 of those you would have cancelled it, and another 25 it might still be in open. So if you pull the order report, you will get to see all those 100 orders, including whatever that was cancelled, whatever that is still open, and whatever that was traded. But if you pull the trade report, you won't see any cancelled order details. You won't see any open order details. You'll only see the details of the trades that were triggered so far. So the active trades that got triggered, right? Only those details you'll get to see. So as a trader, that is where your focus should be, not all the cancelled or open orders. So how to get that data? Okay, so you can create a variable trade report, and you can call the API through your object. And which API you need to call? You need to call the trade report API. So you don't have to pass any values. So you can just print the response. So trade report. Okay. So let's see what is the response that we are getting. So yeah, it got executed. So if I just paste the values here, right? So if you see 1, 2, and 3 entries are there. So 3 trades got triggered and executed today. So 2 buy orders and 1 sell orders. So these 2 buy orders would be for one for Idea, the one for Zomato, and the sell order is for again Idea. So I bought an Idea share, I sold an Idea share, and in addition I bought a Zomato share. So if you look at the UI also, you should get to see the same details. So executed orders, you see 3, and the trade book also you should see all the 3. So this is where it's pulling the data from. It's actually pulling the data from the trade book, because this is what has the list of all the trades that got actually executed today. So that is what we are trying to pull as well. So if you need this data, trade book data, then you need to get it through trade report. So I hope you understand the difference between an order report and trade report. If you have any queries about this episode, leave it down in the comment section. I'll be happy to address it. Also hit the like, share, and subscribe buttons if you find this video useful. Thank you.